I use different type of chili for you. You taste them and you remember the taste, yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go. We don't eat the chili. Yeah, and then
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna catch on fire.
well, you have to be brave.
I love spice.
You have to be brave. I'm gonna take this out first. Well,
So they don't overcook?
yes. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to teach you guys the lighter version first, but it's not gonna be crazy because some people cannot handle a strong flavor, you know. You guys turn the gas off after a minute or two from the tomato and cut your last group, put it in and then squeeze the lime. And then a bit of lime more, a little bit of the sauce. It seems like, why? It doesn't seem it's not gonna change anything, but everything, a little bit of everything, it changed the flavor.
It's like a different soup. It's so good.
It's too hot for you.
No,
Good.
the spice isn't bad.
But you can taste that it's come up more. You see, just a little bit more lime, a bit more chili.
Mine was a little bland. This did the job.
It's come up, right? So, like I said, we're learning. Like, don't hesitate to like adjust and taste to find what you like the most. But then also, like the time to it. The next time you make taste, But for me, that's a my low level like that. I will make even more, but not for you. For the souvenir.
Okay.
Okay, do you taste your soup, you guys?
I didn't taste yet.
You should taste before serving. Then you know what you need, not to
Oh,
do.
okay.
Yes, enough. Put it in, and the last group in. Okay, that's good. You taste the broth. Taste it, okay? Yeah. And then we're gonna cook the noodle over there, okay? You happy with yours? You want more lime? This good? That's a fresh coconut milk. Taste different if you have from home with the coconut milk from box before. You see that's the difference between fresh one and the box one.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
Done? You like it? Okay. We're gonna cook the noodle over here.